friend, myself Prakash Sarve. Welcome to class 7th standard English. So dear student, today we are going to learn a new lesson, the souvenir. The souvenir means a thing that is kept or bought as a reminder of something. We can say memento. So this story is take place in the future, about 50 years from today. In this lesson, Sally, a character, she was traveling in space for the first time. She sat gazing at the view of outside for so long time. She was watching the picture and videos captured by the camera. Another, but attending an opportunity to view that amazing panorama with your own eyes. Panorama means a very wide view. She speak herself it was out of the world experience, and when she speak herself she told that it was out of world. Here out of world, this word is here experience dual meaning. Means first one, there is a dual meaning of that, it means not found on the earth, and second meaning is there and also extraordinary about panorama, that out of the world. His mother had sent her on the trip. This trip to the moon was expensive, but still her mother sent the this picnic or two. After some time, Silas shuttle made a show, measure and safe landing on the moon. The door of the shuttle was open and children were escorted through an air light tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong. Sally was traveling in first space in the first time, so she also afraid herself, and all this traveling or journey is on the moon. So definitely when they travel on the journey or when they travel on the moon, they are upgrading themselves. So here when they open the door of the shuttle and they excited from outside, what happened, so there is the receptionist and receptionist give the some instruction how they want to wander on moon. The receptionist at the entrance to the base gives some instruction at the very outside. I welcome you all the Neil Armstrong base to make your stay on the moon pleasant and comfortable. I would like you to take certain precautions. Listen carefully to my instructions and please follow them during your stay. You know that the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 that of the earth. In the human settlement on the moon, gravitational force equivalent to that of the earth, or gravitational force equivalent to that of the man of the earth, has been artificially maintained, but outside those settlements the gravitational force of the moon is at work. You will have to be extremely careful you, when you roam around there. The second point to remember is related to shopping on the moon. You all must be interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. Please buy the articles only from the shop which are inside the dome-shaped settlements. There you will be assured of genuine articles. Do not buy anything then from the unauthorized shops outside in the settlement. I wish you a very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. Jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. According to the Earth calculation, on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. The 3 days of the trip were going to be part of the night time on the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day was Skywatch. On the Earth, it was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely and only very faintly. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon's sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. The most attractive view was the this disk of the earth. In the moon's sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth's sky. It was also 70 times bigger the earth light fell on the moon. This beautiful enchanting view made Sally and her friends ecstatic. They fell asleep, feeling happy, excited, and comfortable at the same time.